Hello guys, welcome to AT Labs. This is Paris and we are happy that we're gonna announce we will be creating a series of videos about how to use codecs for building real software system. And we're gonna start by cloning apps, and the first app that we will clone it is ChatGPT itself. That's true, you heard that ChatGPT. It may sound weird, but we searched a lot on YouTube and there were no videos about that, and there were no real software that made as exact as ChatGPT. So let's get started. First, we need to create a folder and you will name it FEAI, and we need to copy the path file, and then we're gonna open codecs. As you see, there is a lot model exists, but we will use the latest one because it is more suitable for coding and in order to speed up the process. So we will start by building the environment. Okay, as you see, we give the order to make an environment, and while it makes the environment, I will explain the architecture of the FEAI that we're gonna make. So for the back end, we're gonna use Laravel 12, and for front end, we're gonna use Livewire or Tailwind. And for database, we're gonna use MySQL, and for AI, we're gonna use OpenAI. It's pay as you go, so we will not use it. This is subject to change because we are planning to make this platform, this AI, free for everybody, and that's why we will not use OpenAI. We will use language model that's free, and we will try to use codecs itself to train or to make updates or improve that language model. And for the authentication, we will use Laravel Breeze or Jetstream. let's set up what the process says. It says I will set up the Laravel 12 project in the file path, wire it for ChatGPT style starting point, and run it on localhost port 8009. First, I'm going to check what's already in that folder and what PHP composer tooling is available. And the next process says the target folder exists and is empty, and the local machine already has PHP 8.4, composer node, and npm. I'm going to create a Laravel 12 app there now. This needs permission because it wires under the scroll and download package. And the next process says composer didn't even start because the shell treated 12 point star as a file name pattern. This syntax snag, I'm returning it with the version because Laravel is coming down cleanly. It creates it. Okay, that's good. So since this is the setup and it takes a little while, we will use techniques that we already make software systems for companies and clients, and by watching these videos you're gonna learn what exact techniques we are building, how we build the system, and we will start from scratch until the finishing, until the production. And by the end of these videos, by the end of building the system, this system we will hopefully, if we got the chance, we will try to publish it for people. Okay, it says the blade view is swapped now. I am adding the app style and small front end interaction layer so the page behaves like a chat surface mainly on localhost. Sometimes, as you see, it needs permission to give because codex itself is unable to do every instructions. When it makes change, it needs permission from the user. And in order to go step by step, not to make mistakes, because sometimes when you make a system, if you made a mistake in a place and if you didn't stop by that step, it will make more problems to other functions. So I gonna tell codex, please just simple UI for now. We will work on it step by step. Okay, as we give it another instruction, please just simple UI for now, and we will work on it step by step. He says got it. We will keep it deliberately simple for the first step. I'm trimming the interface down to basic chat page with a header, message, and input box. So we have a clean base to build on together. So now we are waiting for the environment to set up and to have a simple UI chat similar to ChatGPT. Okay, as you see, it says I have simplified the page, no sidebar or extra dashboard elements now, just as plain chat workplace. I'm playing the small JavaScript too much. Yeah, too much that markup, then I'll build on it. Okay, it says building past it. I'm starting on port 8009. Okay, so at the beginning we gave the instruction that to make set up the environment on localhost using 8009 port. So it is trying to set up the environment. Okay, great. It says done. Laravel 12 is installed on the path file, project file with a simple chat UI for now. Local server is running now. Okay, let's jump on it. Okay, let's open this port. Okay. Okay, as you see, this is our first version of the FEAI. You see, there is very simple UI, and there is a chat. Because it's just a UI, it will not respond anything if we ask. Okay, as you see, demo response will connect this to the AI backend next. So as you see, this is the third version. The project is built on localhost port 8009 and we use Laravel 12. Okay, so as you see, this is very simple. Let's jump to the things that we said. As you see, first we need to make authentication for the project, login for the project because it's necessary. So you will start by adding that to the project. This is quite good for now, and we're gonna tell to make grids. Now let's make login sign up authentication. Please add it carefully. As you see, the process is very fast. He is coding very quickly. He says I will add this carefully as a simple Laravel native authentication. It's requesting for approval. Let's give approval. Okay. Register, login, logout, season protection, and small authentication chat page. I'm going to read the current route and config shapefile, then path the minimal files. Says the project already has the standard Laravel user table, season guard, and hashed password. Okay, so we don't need package for this first pass. Okay. Okay, it says routes are in. Guests can register, login, authenticated users see the chat and log out. Indeed, this is I'm adding the login register screens now. The validation goes. Okay. It says the chat page now gets the authenticate user has a logout option and extending the existing simple CSS for the point out. Okay, guys, since this will be public for everyone, and because we want to everybody sees how we create systems, we will be happy if you share your feedback on the comment, and we will be happy if you share your opinion, your suggestion about how to improve this project. Okay guys, it says that done. I added simple Laravel authentication carefully, so now we should have a register page, a login page, logout button on the chat page, protected chat page at /guest user, now redirect to login. And let us see, let's make a refresh and see what changed. Great, now we have a login page. Okay, so we first need to make a sign up. Let's see if it's work. Great. It says that the account has been created. Okay, so it says hello file, this is simple UI base, we can connect. Okay, as you see guys, there is a logout button. Okay, so we can make a logout and we can log in again. Okay, guys, we somehow finished with the authentication. For now, this is the basics. This is enough. Now we're gonna work on the sidebar. As you see, ChatGPT has a good sidebar, so we'll try to clone that. Okay guys, so we're gonna start telling codecs, please now make the sidebar UI as like ChatGPT, just UI. Okay, it says absolutely just UI for now. I will add the ChatGPT style sidebar shell around the existing authenticated chat page. Keep the interaction lightweight and avoid find any backend chat history. So it says I've got the current simple page. I'm going to reshape only authenticated chat view into 2-column layout dark sidebar with new chat history, user area, and the existing simple chat on the right. Okay, it says the sidebar style is in, dark panel, new chat button. It's already finished. Wonderful. It says done. Add a simple chat style, ChatGPT style sidebar UI around the chat page, dark left sidebar, API brand area, new chat button, placeholder chat history groups, logged in user block, logout button, responsive mobile layout. Okay, verified with, as you see, building, it needs a lot of interaction testing, but most of the verification and test codex itself do that, so no need for that. The only thing you need to do is to make test on the real window. So let's refresh it. Great. So as you see, we got the sidebar that is close to that's close to ChatGPT, but we don't have a maximizing the sidebar. So in this tip, we're gonna tell to add that to the sidebar. Okay, so we told to make a sidebar minimize, maximize. Please make a grouper button for that. So it says, nice, that's right. Next tip, I will add a real collapse expand control to the sidebar. Keep the layout stable and persist the state in the process so it remembers the user choice. I'm adding the toggle in the sidebar header itself with an accessible label and a compact collapsed state that keeps the main action visible. Okay, it's continue to asking for ground. Okay, it says the markup now has a dedicated collapse button and extra button so the sidebar can shrink cleanly and Okay guys, now it says done. I added a proper minimize maximize button for the sidebar. What we changed, sidebar has collapse button near the top. Full mode shows a brand new chat history user into logout. Minimize mode shrinks to a narrow sidebar. Button updates between collapse expand states. Sidebar state is saved in local storage, so refresh. Okay, let's refresh it. Okay, so as you see there's a little button for collapsing sidebar. That's great. It's not bad. It's not bad. And the other thing, it made like a little button. Okay, let's now make some test on our version. Okay guys, in this stage we need to make a Git repo version for this AI. For each project we need to make a Git repo. Why? Because codecs whenever you made a change and you didn't like it, whenever you want to undo the update, it is impossible or it's very hard to undo. So Codex cannot do that, and at least you added this. So we will tell to make a version of this project. Okay, so it says, good call, I will create a Git repository in the Laravel project, make initial version 1.0 commit and added a one tag to it, so you have a clean recovery point before future changes. Okay, so he's asking, I see database and storage as untracked groups, so I am checking those before staging. Laravel keeps useful, Git ignore. Placeholder this, but actual SQLite database should stay out of Git. Okay, so it says, do you want to allow checking database files before creating the initial Git commit? I say yes. So I want to explain something at the beginning. This is our architecture that we're gonna use, but in each steps it's subject to change according to the need of the project. Why? Because sometimes you want to add some functionality and it needs a special package, so that's why all of these packages are subject to change. Okay, it says, do you want to allow Git to confirm stage file before the initial commit? Yes. So there is a lot of asking for granting permission. You have to say yes, yes every time. So as you see, guys, this is our initial version of FEAI. Okay, it says done. I create a local Git repo for the project and save the current state as version v1.0 baseline. So this is the initial version 1.0. Okay, so we are now in the safe side. Okay, guys. Okay guys, let's work a little bit on the UI. Okay, I see I'm not happy with the logout icon, so I will tell to change that. Okay. Okay, guys, says done. I changed the logout icon to planner power style icon adjust. Okay, let's refresh it. Nice. This is more beautiful. Okay. I guess for initial version, this is perfect. What we want to do now is okay, is to make yeah, this is good. Let's try to make a full screen of the project and see how it reflects. Nice. Okay. Okay guys, this is all for today, and we will be able to make a fresh UI first version of the FEAI. In the next episodes. We're gonna continue our work on making the back end, wiring the UI, and wiring the language model. Yeah, thank you for watching this video, and I would like really to hear your feedback about our first video, and we will be happy if you make a suggestion how we change the UI or the project, whatever you have in your mind. Just write in the comment and we will try to work on it, because as we said, this is for people, and we will try to make a release after finishing the all project, and it will definitely be free. Yeah, that's all. Yeah, have a great day and see you next time.